What's up, everyone? Currently en route to Toronto Pearson Airport to check out, finally, Air Canada's brand new Airbus A220-300. I'm going to be flying it over to Montreal here. Our flight leaves in 2 hours at 9 a.m. Going to be up front in business class, which I'm super excited about. So looking forward to checking that out. See you guys in the terminal. It's cold. It's really cold. So after grabbing our boarding passes from Air Canada's private business class check-in area, we made it through security and we still have about an hour before boarding. So we're going to go head up and check out the Maple Leaf Lounge. This lounge is open to all business class passengers as well as Air Canada Elite 35K and All Star Alliance Gold members. Next, we're going to go check out the Air Canada Cafe. This just opened last year and it's reserved for Star Alliance Gold and business class passengers only. They have a wide selection of grab-and-go items here, as well as a coffee bar and just kind of a quieter atmosphere than you'll get in the main Maple Leaf Lounge. The selection here is incredible, and I'd highly recommend trying the fresh orange juice from the bar if you get a chance. Montreal, here we come. Okay, so let's talk a little bit about this seat. At 21 inches wide and with 37 inches of pitch, there's more than enough space. It's a really modern seat design, but it's also pretty well padded and super comfortable. As you can see, the in-flight entertainment screen is massive. It's basically a TV. Underneath, there's 2 headphone jacks, a USB-A and USB-C charging port, as well as a universal adapter. On the corner of the seat here, you can see they have coat hooks, and down here, these 2 buttons control the recline and also the padded leg rest. There's tons of storage space to the side of the seat, and all in all, really, really great job. I'd be more than comfortable flying 6+ hours in these seats.
Votre directrice de bord pour le vol de journée à destination de Montréal. If your electronic device falls in your seat, do not move your seat or try to retrieve it yourself as it poses a fire hazard. Prenez le temps de regarder la démonstration suivante sur les mesures de sécurité. Les portatifs devraient être réglés en mode avion. Veuillez maintenant retirer vos écouteurs, brancher un appareil électronique portatif. Please note that all electronic devices should be set to airplane mode. Prenez et suivez les indications lumineuses au plancher jusqu'à l'issue la plus proche. There are 3 exits located on each side of the aircraft. Exit signs are identified by a green symbol. The arrows indicate the direction to follow to reach the exit. sans fil est offert à bord de cet appareil. Vous pourrez vous connecter en prenant. Merci d'avoir choisi Air Canada et bon vol. We encourage you to wear your seatbelt at all times. This is available on this aircraft. You'll be able to connect to the internet by paying with your credit card once the seatbelt sign is turned off.
So now that we're well on our way to Montreal, I thought now would be a good time to check out the in-flight entertainment system. The new operating system for these rolled out with the 737 MAX back in 2018, and I have to say they're a huge improvement over the system they had before. It's got a really clean and modern interface, and along with a decent collection of movies and TV shows, as you might expect, they also have a whole bunch of new information, like a new moving map, and some arrival information, along with global weather forecasts, and a whole bunch of other cool features. And again, getting to experience this all on such a massive, clean, responsive touchscreen makes it just so much better. Partway through the flight, I took a stroll back to see what it was like to fly this plane as a plebeian. I will say the standard economy seat legroom feels pretty tight in the back and might be rough for a bit longer flight, but the 19-inch width of the seat more than makes up for that. Each seat also features a modern and responsive, albeit smaller, touchscreen. Air Canada serves their classic omelette breakfast on this short flagship route, and I was happy to oblige. It was great to be fed like this on such a short hop. Only a couple minutes later, we were already starting our descent into Montreal Trudeau.
De transmission des appareils mobiles est maintenant permise. Thank you for choosing Air Canada, member of Star Alliance for your travels today. We hope you've had a pleasant flight and look forward to seeing you again soon. Thank you. Have a nice day.
To end things off here, I just can't stress enough what a game changer this plane is. The attention to passenger comfort in all classes is just mind-blowing, especially when you consider this plane is more or less a regional jet. I wouldn't be surprised if we saw this aircraft deployed on longer intercontinental flights in the near future, and I honestly think it's up for that challenge. I'd like to give a special shout out to the crew on this flight who invited us up to the cockpit and were more than happy with all of my filming. Everyone is clearly quite proud of their new plane here at Air Canada, and considering what an important role this Canadian designed and built plane will have on the industry, I think they have absolutely every right to be. Thanks again for watching, everyone. I'm still working on some Europe videos, so hoping to get those out before too long here. In the meantime, don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe, and if you enjoyed this, please check out some of the other videos I have on my channel. Hope you all have a great day.